Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes po.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes po.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes po.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No po.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes po.
What is your name?
My name is Noraisa Jainal. I'm 27 years old. I live in Balanga City, Bataan, Philippines. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have 4 kids, 3 daughters and 1 son. My eldest daughter is 10 years old. My second daughter is 9 years old, and my third daughter is 5 years old, and my youngest son is 4 years old.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you, Noriza. Are you single with live-in partner, single mother, or married?
I'm I I living with my single live I living with my
Live-in partner.
live
Okay, when is your birthday?
December 31, 1996.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11" and my weight is 58 kilograms.
Okay, what is your educational background?
My educational background is first year college undergraduate.
Okay. So you mentioned that you are a first timer also, right? Then who
Yes,
will going to take care of your 4 children once you come to work here in Malaysia because you will working quite far away from your family.
my mother-in-law and my live-in partner will take care of our children.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
My live-in partner is a construction worker and he is 34 years old.
What about your mother-in-law?
My mother-in-law is ano, mm,
How old is she?
she is 61 years old.
Okay, so in your profile, you have it was stated here that you have a working experience as a part-time house helper. Am I right?
Yes po.
Way back 2014 to 2020, you are a full-time mother. Is it?
Yes po.
And then 2021 to 2023, you are a part-time house helper for 2 years, right?
Opo.
Can you
Yes
share
po.
it? Can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment in Philippines as a part-time house helper?
I can do cooking, ironing, laundering, and all po.
Okay, did you take care of children to your previous employer?
No po.
Only do house chores, is it?
Yes po.
Okay, so um, Nora, you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right?
Yes po.
It is not that so easy. You will going to sign a 2 years contract, okay? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
Yes po.
Once you breach your contract, also you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes po.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, I can do it.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes po.
Being a domestic helper, you know, you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, because there is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only, or you will just focus on taking care of children. No such a thing. If there is children, you need to do house chores also at the same time. Okay?
Yes po.
Can you take care baby?
Yes po.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes po.
Can you cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes po.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
A little.
Are you afraid of dogs, cats, rabbits?
Rabbits and big dog.
You scared with rabbits?
Yes po.
Okay. So usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, okay?
Okay po.
But you are allowed to use your mobile handphone during nighttime only, after you finish your job for the whole day. Okay? After that, after you can have your phone and you will render your phone on the next morning. Okay? But if we found out that you cannot cope up your job on the next day because you feel groggy, you don't have the energy to work due to misused using of mobile handphone, you sleep very late at night, like 2 to 3 a.m., very sorry to say, we will going to inform your employer that we will allow you to use your handphone only for 2 to 3 hours during nighttime. Okay?
Okay po.
On your rest day also, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay inside the employer's house. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
I agree po.
Are you sure?
Yes po.
We don't force people to come here. Okay? As long as
Yes
you
po.
are clear and you understand and clarify about our rules and regulations, then we don't have problem. We don't force people to come here, okay? If you don't like our terms and conditions, then it's okay also. Then you don't come here in Malaysia, okay? If you are okay with our terms, then you come here. We don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about all these things. No such a thing, okay?
Okay po.
Normally, how you gonna fight your homesickness? Like for example, how do you handle your homesickness knowing that you will working quite far away from your family and you cannot see them for 2 years? What will you do if your homesickness strikes you?
I will do my work, not thinking of my children.
Okay, so always remind yourself, Rosalie, that this is not the Philippines, okay? In Philippines, you might be the
Yes po.
boss, but in other countries, no such a thing. You need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, okay?
Okay po.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay po.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you